Welcome to our channel. Today, in this fully animated lecture, we learn about how carbon has remarkable ability to make 4 bonds. So let's jump right in. Carbon is an extraordinary element found in various compounds with 6 atomic number and 12 mass number. To understand how carbon makes 4 bonds, we need to look at its electronic configuration. Carbon has 6 electrons, 2 in the inner shell and 4 in the outer shell. According to the Octet Rule, an atom is considered to be stable, having 8 electrons in its valence shell. So carbon also wants to become stable. To get stability, carbon needs 4 more electrons in its valence shell. Now, let's see, how does carbon complete its octet? Carbon completes its octet by sharing electrons through covalent bonding. For example, when carbon bonds with 4 hydrogen atoms in methane, each hydrogen atom shares 1 electron with carbon, and carbon shares 1 electron with each hydrogen atom. This sharing of electrons completes the valence shell of both carbon and hydrogen, resulting in a stable molecule. My dear students, carbon atom can share 4 electrons with 4 other atoms. This is the reason carbon makes 4 bonds. Do you know, how does carbon make multiple bonds? Multiple bonds means double covalent bond and triple covalent bond. Firstly, I will tell you how a double covalent bond is formed. When a carbon atom shares its 2 electrons with another carbon atom, then the bond is known as double covalent bond. On the other hand, when each carbon atom shares its 3 electrons, then the bond formed is known as triple covalent bond. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this.